Hello everyone, welcome to BDS Canon classes. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you the fifth reaction, that is oxidation and reduction reaction. As you know that oxidation and reduction reaction is also called as redox reaction. Okay, dear students, now this time the concept of oxidation and reduction is based on addition or removal of hydrogen and oxygen elements. Okay, see here, oxidation. Number one, oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, I already told you that the concept of oxidation and reduction is based on addition or removal of hydrogen and oxygen elements. So, number one, oxidation. Okay, the addition of oxygen is called as oxidation, or the removal of hydrogen from this substance is called as oxidation. Overall, you can say that the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen from the substance is called as oxidation. Okay, on other hand, that is reduction. The addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen from the substance is called as reduction. Okay, dear students, overall you can say that reduction is just opposite to the oxidation, or oxidation is just opposite to reduction. Okay, for example, you can see here, now we understand from this chemical equation. Okay, from this equation you can see that the copper oxide CuO change into O and H2 change into H2O. What is happens here? Here CuO is changed into Cu, means CuO loses its oxygen. So, according to definition, the removal of oxygen to the compound is called as reduction. So, the CuO is reduced into Cu. Okay, on the other hand, H2 change into H2O means that the addition of oxygen takes place in H2, then forms H2O. According to definition, the addition of oxygen is called as oxidation. So, you can say that H2 oxidized into H2O. Okay, means this is a reduction and this is a oxidation. Okay, So you can simply identify the oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, in reduction there is a removal of oxygen takes place to form Cu from CO, and in oxidation H2 change into H2O on adding oxygen. Okay, so overall this is a redox reaction. What? Redox reaction. Redox reaction. I already told you that oxidation and reduction reaction is called as redox reaction. Okay, now we understand from another example. Okay, see here. Example number 2, H2S plus Cl2 is equal to S plus 2HCl. In this equation you can see that H2S change into S on losing its hydrogen, and Cl2 change into 2HCl by gaining 2H. According to definition, the removal of hydrogen is called as oxidation. Okay, and on the other hand, the addition of oxygen is called as the addition of hydrogen is called as reduction. Okay, in this hydrogen loses and form S, and as Cl2 gain H to form 2HCl. Okay, means H2S oxidized to S, and Cl2 reduced to 2HCl. Okay, so you all identify the oxidation and reduction reaction with addition of oxygen over removal of hydrogen, and with addition of hydrogen over removal of oxygen. Okay, dear students, I hope that all of you understood about redox reaction. Okay, in my next video I will teach you about oxidizing and reducing agent. Thank you.